Etsy is an amazing platform for beginner online sellers, as it has tons of built-in traffic and is very beginner-friendly and easy to start. However, there are many reasons you may want to have your own website apart from Etsy. First of all, at some point you may just simply decide to move to your own website to save on fees, and if you're really good at driving your own traffic with social media. Secondly, it's simply nice to know that your entire shop is backed up, so that if for some reason Etsy goes south or you need to leave the platform, you can quickly pivot. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to launch your very own free Printify Pop-Up store, as well as how to quickly back up your entire existing print-on-demand shop on Etsy using Printify's Pop-Up Shop. Printify's Pop-Up Shops are sort of like a free alternative to Shopify. Let's get to it. So to launch your free Printify Pop-Up Shop, you simply navigate to Printify, select your store name in the left-hand corner, then select Launch Pop-Up Store. From there, you get to choose your store name. Then you need to confirm that you are a US resident and that you understand and accept and have read their terms of service. And then a message will pop up congratulating you on opening up your new pop-up store. It was that easy. Select Add Products, and from there you will be navigated back to Printify, where you can select products that you want to add to your new shop. Find a product that you would like to customize and add to your shop. For this example, I'll be using the unisex jersey 3001 short sleeve tee. And then once I've uploaded my custom graphic, and then I can go through and select different colors that I would like to add to my listing. And then I can select Save Product. Then I can go through and choose which mockup that I would like to show in my store. And then I can go through and edit the title and the description and all of the different prices. And then once I have all that information filled out, I can select Publish. And then I would navigate back to my Merch by Angel shop, which is my Printify pop-up shop, and then that listing was published to my new pop-up shop. And then if you would like to back up an existing listing that is already in your Etsy shop to your new Printify pop-up shop, simply navigate to the listing that you would like copied to your new pop-up shop. And then on the far right of that listing, you will see that there are 3 dots. Select those 3 dots and then select Copy To. And then you can select your new pop-up shop. And then as you can see, that listing was copied to my new pop-up shop. And then don't forget to update the title and the prices and so forth before you publish that listing. And now that you've set up your shop, let's talk traffic. You can't just build it and expect people to come, right? One of the best ways is through social media. Whether it's Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, or even TikTok, these platforms can drive a lot of eyeballs to your shop. Consider sharing behind-the-scenes content, customer testimonials, or even just showcasing your products. But there's another super important strategy, your email list. This is gold. Having an email list allows you to directly reach out to your customers with new product launches, deals, and updates. This was a big mistake that I personally made when I first started selling on Etsy, was never collecting emails. I just did not understand the money that I was leaving on the table, not utilizing email marketing. So don't make the mistake that I made. One easy way to grow your email list is simply by leveraging Everbee. It sends emails on your behalf and encourages Etsy customers to join your waitlist, all while adhering to Etsy's Seller Handbook. Check the link in the description to try Everbee for free. Alright guys, there you have it. Remember, diversification is key in the online business world. Expanding beyond Etsy can not only save you money, but also give you peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, drop any questions in the comments below. Until next